Show me the money. The money. Hey, hey. How to make money online fast. Let's get it.
Hey, yeah.
Just run out and buy a buttload of crypto, get rich. You're done. Later. Or what you can implement today is starting an online business. One, picking a niche that is a category that is popping but not difficult to target. Ooh. Second, find a product that is popping within this niche that people actually need and want and desire. Find the people to get this too. But before that, you're going to write down this list of who these people are, what it is that they're interested in, what do they do. So that way you have a list to target them because you know everything that encompasses this particular group of people. Now that you know who these people are, find a creative way to market to them, be it free or paid ads. Pick something that works for you that you can be consistent with, and always make sure you're providing value, and you will shoot to the moon with whatever you're trying to do. Let's go. Let's get it. Make money.